back to north of the Bra. There is a new gym that is going to be opening in Beaufort this summer. And it's kind of different, and we're going to find out why it's unique and why it's special. We have Ainsley with us, Ainsley Pennock. She's the owner and head coach.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have co-owner, Justin Poole, and also a coach.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we have the nutrition component, the food piece, Matt Callegari. The name of this gym is called Strikeline Training Group, which I asked Ainsley, describe the name. And we're not going to take time to do that but it is interesting. It does stand out. We will remember it. So let's just jump right in. Tell us about this concept and why you all decided to open up a gym.
Of course. So first and foremost, we're personal trainers. We're certified. We take clients. We can train you to goals. But first and foremost, the business is a human performance center company. So what I like to say is that, I like to talk about how human beings were inherently endurance animals. So, we kind of have this, we're already geared towards fitness and endurance, and it's kind of like environmentally, we don't really do that. So, we don't have to run and go get a pizza. We can just DoorDash those things. So what I like to do is I like to put it in that way, because what I try to do with my programming, and now with the facility, I'll be able to help a lot more people, is, you're already built to do a lot of things. You're already built as an athlete. What I do is I try to build a system that will get you from point A to point B. So if you want to run a marathon, and a lot of the stuff I get is from clients is, oh, I could never do that. I'm like, but you can. So it's not really, a motivational thing. It's just your body was designed to do this. It's just environmentally, we don't really do those things anymore.
So let's talk about process. So I want to come into I want to perhaps join. So how do I talk with one of you, and then you kind of do an analysis and then kind of put us on a program, right, Justin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So we'll do an assessment with you. Usually it's a free assessment over the phone. When the gym opens, it'll be in person.
Yeah.
And we'll talk through your goals and like what you want to achieve. And then we'll have you fill out an intake online if you do want to do training with us. And you'll put in all your information, the food you like, any injuries you have, the motivation you have to work out, how many times you want to work out a week.
Okay, full.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's very custom.
Yes.
That's why we try to make
that.
it geared towards the specific person, so they want to do it and they get where they want to go.
And I think that's why we've been so successful, is because it's very, very customized to the client.
As far as our client progress, I mean, people are getting pretty good results.
Very good. Now, you brought Matt in.
Yes.
On the nutrition side. He's a chef. He also has a catering business and very successful. So why did you want to be involved with this new gym?
Well, I've been a trainer, and actually these two are coaching me for competition as well. So I feel that just about anybody can go into a gym and work out as hard as they can, but they lack in the nutrition side of things. So no matter how hard you work out, if you're not feeding your body right, you're not going to get the results that you're looking for. And you got to look at food as fuel, not a comfort.
I know.
So it's a big mindset thing, and it's something I struggle with. And the program they've got me on, it's a night and day difference, and I'm living results of that. And it's just having the exact nutrients that you need every single day based on your goals. You'll be able to achieve just about anything you're looking for.
So we'll be able to consult with you. You can put us on a plan in conjunction with our fitness plan.
Absolutely.
So my intention with him is I do full scope programming, so it includes a meal plan. So down to the gram, you're going to know what you need to eat. We try to make it accessible. It's not going to be like boiled chicken and rice, but with him, people have jobs, they're busy. So the intent was that he could take my meal plan. We've already tested it out on myself and Justin's meal plans, and he'll cook it and portion it to the gram, and it just takes that piece out. For you to
Helpful
worry
to
about.
guesswork.
It sounds fantastic. You have all the answers. With us, we have all these questions about how we can improve our fitness, our weight, and stay there. The big thing is maintaining. Not, people jump in and then jump out and yo. So it sounds fascinating. I wish we had more time, but our time is up. Where are you going to be located?
46 Robert Smalls Parkway.
Okay.
So we'll be right next to Public, it's all of those places downtown, and right on the Spanish Moss Trail. So we can get some running in.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
It's very exciting. Good luck to you all.
Yes,
Again,
ma'am.
it's Strikeline Training Group is the name of the new gym. Thank you, Ainsley, Justin, and Matt.
Yes,
Appreciate
ma'am.
you being with us. And we'll be right back with more North of the Broad. Don't go away.